Welcome to Mega Exams. In this video, we will learn how to edit a test, remove a test from the bundle, and delete a test. Before starting, you need to understand that we cannot do any modifications to an active test. No need to remember this, as the system will not let you do any changes to an active test. Starting with editing a test, go to the Overview panel in the menu option on the left side. Click on Publish Test. Now click on the test that you want to edit. For example, we want to make some changes to JEE Maths test. So click anywhere on the test ribbon. Go to the Edit option at the top right corner and click on it. We have seen a similar window while we were creating the test. So proceed in the same way. Click on Show to see all the current questions. You can change the position of questions using this drop down. It will shift your questions accordingly. You can report questions if you see any problem with questions, answers, or explanation using this report option. You will have to write a small description of the issue and report it. You can also remove existing questions using this remove button. If you want to replace all the questions, then use this remove all and add new questions to your test. Now the test is empty. Similar to creating a new test, you can add new questions in your test paper. Once done, proceed to the sections and then test setting. After doing all the changes, you can click on Publish and this will save all the changes. Now we will learn how to delete a test. To delete a test, we will unlink it first from all the linked bundles. To remove or unlink a test from a bundle, click on the test options in the left side panel. Go to the bundle from which you want to unlink the test and click on it. On the extreme right of the test ribbon, you can see a bin symbol. Click on it to confirm the unlinking and then unlink for the confirmation. The test is unlinked from this bundle now. The last step is to delete a test. For that, go to Overview and click on Publish Tests. Find the test that you want to delete either by scrolling or entering the test name in the search box. If the test contains questions, click on the arrow symbol at the right end of the ribbon. Before deleting any test, you need to remove all the questions from the test. Click on the Edit button in the top right corner. Click on Show to see all the questions and then remove all. This will delete all the questions from the test. Once done, click back to see the test window. Now that the test contains no questions, click on Delete Test and the test is deleted successfully.